Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a review and showing you this bento box that I got from Amazon. I will be linking down below the link for you where you can find it. It's microwavable safe tray, dishwasher safe tray, sealing without leakage, and BPA. I believe I said BPA if I read it fast enough. This bento box, as you can see, comes in with four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Needed to count. 5 compartments. You easily latch to the sides for all 4 sides. My daughter that is currently using that purple one is 5, so she's able to pop in and out of the lunch bag. It carries a fork and a spoon all together. Now that one I did had a little, you see how it snaps? She did pinch her finger on the bottom. So I do maybe recommend for you to put something else that is not latchable if the little kid is going to be younger. But it has a little compartment for you to put the utensils. And I'm struggling because I have one hand, but it's easy to open for kids when they have 2 hands. And once it's being used several times, they get used to opening them. That's how it looks on the inside. It has silicone. That silicone prevents anything from leaking out. If you put liquid or anything really, nothing comes out of that container. That's the container. It includes a little handy dandy instruction books and stuff like that. The bento box is 100% plastic in the areas where the silicone area for the lid. So you can see it has 2 big containers on the side, and it included one little top thing for you to put like salad dressing if you put salad, yogurt, or little vitamins if you include vitamins. Easily to open. You can put it in there, or you can take it out and simply use a little hole for something else. You can see right here I have added these silicone things. It actually came on another bento box that I bought for my older daughter that she is now 8 years old, but I bought it when she was 7, and it included all those silicone containers, and now I used it for her in different shapes, different sizes. You can include all the little fruits like that. Today I was including nachos. They wanted nachos, so I included the cheese in the middle compartment, the nachos on one side. You can see right there she also has nachos. That was a different kind of model of the bento box that I had gotten before. I included the cheese on that one. You can see I put blueberries and strawberries on that one. It's just a different format with the little circle in the middle. It allows the little kids to have a little bit of everything. You know, kids throw the lunch away, so don't even worry. 2, 3, 4 little things in there is good enough. I included cheeses as well along with the nachos. They wanted nachos that day, that's why I included that. It's easy to close. You saw the little latches on the sides. You clip it, push it, and voila. The other one as well, you can just click like that and it's all closed. It fits perfectly in the lunch bags. You know, all the lunch bags are universally, I think all of them are the same size when it comes to that format, and you still have a little bit of space where you can include your juice, or I would say your juice or anything else that you would want to include there. It still gives you space on your lunch bag. I recommend these bento boxes because it makes the lunch fun for the kids. They get to eat it. They're excited to see what it's in each little box, and it's fun. Other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today for the 5 out of 5 stars for the bento box. The link is down below. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.